Hello, Allister here again. I'm going to do a video on a little bit on what's been going on the weekend and bits and pieces and a few purchases and things. So it's Sunday, August the 30th, and we'll see where we go with all that. Okay, been doing a little bit of work on this gearbox here. It's a fair way off being built. But it's the beginnings of another Land Rover gearbox. This is the one for the so-called Super Truck. It's a Series 3 box, basically, with an Ashcroft transmission when it's put on the back, or conversion. But all we've done here is put the main shaft in, which is this bit here. This is the main shaft. This is the lay shaft down here, this piece. Now that's all we've really done is put it together like that, give it a good clean. Nothing much wrong with these parts, they're in very good shape, so we might as well use them again. Hasn't done much. Anyway, that's really all the progress is on the gearbox. So that is that really. Progress on the workshop. This is basically all that's been done on the workshop. Put these three outlets at the top of these three-phase outlet boxes from the splitter box down below. There will be a 30 amp and two 20 amps. So 30 amps on the right and the two 20 amps are the ones that don't have connectors in because it's there on order. They're waiting for those to come in. So, and the cover plates are also missing. Well, when they come in, they'll get fitted. That's about all that's happened there. I put the compressor in the corner for now, put the box on the wall, but it's not really staying there. It's just there temporarily till we figure out exactly where it's going to end up. That'll do for now. Okay, this week's purchases. This is a clamp set used on the mill, standard 5/8 slot clamp set. Nothing really very special about this. This doesn't come with a kit. I've put that in there. That's a slot cleaner. So that's what that is. Couple of milling cutters. Nothing really very special. This is a 3/8 milling cutter. There it is. Carbide, of course. We have a 1/2 inch. Nothing really revolutionary about these. Over center cutting, and I have a 1/4 inch one here too. Just to start things off, as it were. This is a Cat 40 tool holder, which takes the ER32 collets. This is to go in the Haas mill. Again, pretty bog standard, nothing really revolutionary. Just has a little cover here, and the collets go in there. I've done a video on how this works, so you can find that on my channel if you're interested. None of this stuff is particularly world-shatteringly unusual. It's just standard engineering equipment. This here, I'll hold the box up so you can see it. There you are. Really zoom in a bit on it. That's a coaxial indicator from Sharps. Very useful little tool for finding the centres of things on the mill. Here's a couple of indicators. This is just a standard DTI dial test indicator. Get your vice jaws lined up with the axis of the mill. Comes with a couple of holders for your magnetic base and calibration certificate. And this is one I bought an ordinary DTI a little while ago. It's a standard DTI. This is a chuck for the BT40 holder when it comes. Nothing very special about this. It's a standard Jacobs type chuck. It's not actually a Jacobs. It's just an ordinary chuck made by GS, I guess. There's some parallels. You go with the vise when it comes. These just sit in your vise. Number of different sizes. These are small ones, 1/2 inch, and it goes up to 1 5/8, and these are the larger ones. A lot of this stuff you generally would make yourself or acquire, but as I'm setting up again, I'm having to buy a lot of this stuff brand new to get me going. The other purchase was a standard ER32 collet set. Just like this, and this goes together with the collet holder. Make sure that's flush on the face. Put it together. And that holds your tool. As so, like that. So that's your milling cutter holder, which is the ER collet and the Cat 42 holder for ER32. Anyway, that's really the purchases for this week. And there should be some more in forthcoming weeks as we progress further. Some more machines are coming here in the next week or two, and I'll do some videos of that when they arrive. Okay, that's all really for this weekend.